Okay. So I am a co-host, right? 1 second.
No, you are host.
I am a host, so I have to give back the authority after I finish. Got it. Okay, last time we were talking about unit 4. Okay, unit 4. And 1 second. And we were learning about the inventors. It's a person who invented new stuff that never been here before. And I gave an example of mobile phone, right? So now let's go back to the class book on the vocabulary page. And now let's listen and repeat.
Listening 53. Look, listen, and repeat. 1. Drawing pins.
What is it?
Drawing pins.
Thank you, drawing pins.
2. Stapler.
Stapler.
Guys, stapler. Say that.
Stapler.
Thank you.
3. String.
String. String.
4. Glue.
Glue. Glue.
Right.
5. Card.
Card. Card. Card.
6. Paper clips.
Paper clips. Paper clip.
7. Tape.
Tape.
8. Straws.
Straws. Straws.
9. Paint.
Paint. Paint.
Good.
10. Paintbrush.
Paintbrush. Paintbrush.
11. Wire.
Wire. Wire.
Good.
More like that.
Okay. And I believe that you have already copied down this diagram. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Say yes.
We have learned that nouns is the we used to call things and you know and
เป็นด้วยกันเหมือนมากินด้วยเหมือนไม่กินด้วย
and it can break it into 2 categories, which is countable nouns and uncountable nouns, right? Let's focus on uncountable nouns first. First thing first. Whoops. Okay. Uncountable nouns is the what? The nouns that you cannot count, right? What are the uncountable nouns? Can you give me an example?
Sugar, bread, meat,
Right.
olive oil. Better. Water.
Milk.
Water.
Juice.
Coffee.
Milkshake.
Juice.
Okay, enough. Thank you very much. Okay, so the
Something like liquid.
only take a singular form. Okay, only take a singular form. Here's what I'm gonna show you is today we're gonna learn about how to use some and any, right? Some using with affirmative sentence. For example, there is some milk, okay? Is singular. And any is using with question sentence or negative sentence. For example, there isn't any butter, right? Butter you cannot count. You're using isn't. Okay. Also juice, you cannot count. You're using any. And is just showing singular. Okay, that's uncountable nouns. Now let's move to the right-hand side, which is say countable nouns, right? Countable nouns is the things that you can count. Things that you can count, like singular. Singular means one, right? Plural means more than one. Understand? You got it? For singular, we using a or an, right? For example, a book, an orange, right? And plural also, Emily, can you leave it open? Leave that open. For plural, we use some with affirmative form. Okay, affirmative form. Look at this, books. Books is countable nouns and it's also plural. So we're using are. Okay, that's a different. This one's is, right? This one's are. I'm using some. Okay. Any just applying the same as uncountable nouns using with negative form and question form or interrogative form. They aren't. Okay. And then any. Understand? Because students is countable nouns and it's plural. Same as table. Are there any tables? Okay. So are you confused? Do you understand? I hope I will take that as a yes. I hope you understand. Okay, next one. Next one is this. Oh, let's take a look on the what is it? Countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns is things that I can count, right? Like I said, you can say some oranges, or you can just count them. 3 oranges, right? 2 oranges. Countable nouns, we use in singular. Singular. We use a or one and plus nouns, right? But plural nouns is always added with the s, right? A potato or potatoes, right? You can say in this case, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can say 7 potatoes, or you can just say some potatoes. Uncountable nouns is things that you cannot count, right? For example, rice. Nobody will count the rice grains.
Nobody will count 5,032 rice.
Exactly. That's a waste of time. Also, now look at this sentence. We love to read books. Which word is the noun? Which word is
Books. Books. It's the word books.
countable or uncountable?
It's
Countable.
It's countable because you would just seriously eat the book. Oh my god. Salt.
The noun.
Salt.
So,
Salt is now uncountable.
It's obvious. Who would count one piece of salt?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
Countable.
Countable.
So there is a mango. I have an egg. These are countable now, but it is singular. Okay. So you have to separate. First you have to think if it's countable or uncountable. If it's countable, it's a singular or plural. That's how you think. Okay. Next one. What is it? Countable or uncountable? Apples, eggs.
Uncount.
It's countable, right? Countable, but it is plural.
It's countable, but it's
Then
not a question.
what we call plural countable nouns, all right? How about this one? Sugar, bread.
Uncountable.
Yes, that's uncountable.
Uncountable.
Okay, look at this sentence. There is something, banana in the recipe.
A banana.
Yes, there is a banana in a recipe. That's
Wow, Sunday.
right. Is that not called a banana split? Because they split banana and put the
Oh
ice.
yeah, it's called banana split.
Okay, how about this one? Can you count ice cream?
There is some ice cream.
Yes, you cannot
Do you
count
really thought we can count ice cream?
some ice cream in the fridge, okay? And ice cream is uncountable now. How about this one?
Some water, of course.
Yes, I need some water to wash my hands.
But we need alcohol today.
This one I'm gonna skip it because this just try to specify of uncountable nouns. That's all right.
Skip every single thing on our.
Some we using with affirmative sentences. This one is Paris Hilton. You know Hilton, the Hilton hotels. Have you ever heard of it? Very famous. It's the hotels. All Hilton hotels. I think Thailand we have places, right? One in Pattaya and one
I don't know.
in
I
Bangkok.
don't know Ariana Grande. I only know that.
She's the heir of the Hilton hotels, and she was born with lots and lots and lots and lots of money, right? So they say there is some money. You should have seen her doggy's house. It's like a mansion for dogs. I used to show that last year, but this year I'm not sure if I could show it online through the YouTube.
I only know Ariana.
Okay. Any using with the next form or interrogative sentences. Interrogative means questions, right? Look at these cute three girls sitting around on the ground. Is there any money? No, there isn't. There is. So what do you choose between some and any? I
Need some time to study.
need any. How about this one? There is,
Some
cheese.
right, there is some cheese. How about this one?
any.
Any.
Because it's negative, right? Last one that I like to remind you about how much we using with uncountable nouns and how many we using with countable nouns. Okay. Now this one. Let's help me doing this one. Okay, but
Wow.
you have to tell me first if it's countable nouns or uncountable nouns.
I want to help you every single question there is. Please.
Countable.
Some, that, some.
Yeah, but answer me first. Is it countable or uncountable?
Mm. It's countable.
Right. What are you using? Any or some? Some,
It's
right?
totally some.
Because it's affirmative form. Okay. Number 2, hotels. Can you count?
Count.
Countable nouns
Any.
because it's question form. Okay. All right. Number 3, burger. Count or uncount?
This thing is pretty hard.
A burger.
I don't know about it. He doesn't count.
Count. Any.
Some or any?
Any.
Yes, because of the question.
Number 4, can you count the waterfalls?
No.
No.
You can count the waterfalls. Okay.
Oh, but not the water.
Not the water, but you can count the waterfall.
The
English is
waterfalls is like a thing that there will be water just drilling.
okay. So is it some or any?
It's
Some or any?
some.
Some.
Water, count or uncountable nouns?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Right, uncountable nouns, right? Dina hasn't got what?
Any water.
Confusing, but it's true that
Number 6, has Tom got, what is it? This is countable noun.
any.
You're right,
Any.
it's question, right? Number 7, chocolate. Can you count chocolate? Uncountable,
No.
No.
right?
It's some.
Because it's not even a question.
Number 8, lemonade.
No. Uncountable.
Any.
Number 9, sandwiches. Countable noun or uncountable noun?
Countable now.
Okay, countable. Any or
Some. Sandwich.
because it's an affirmative sentence, right? Number 10, pencils. Countable, countable. Any or some,
Any.
Right. because it's questions. Number 11, snow. Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable. Because
Count.
Uncountable noun. Some or any?
any. It's negative.
Number 12,
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
yes, T, right? Easy.
You really can't count T or something.
Any.
Any, because it's negative.
Right. Number 2, friend. Tell me, countable or uncountable? Right. Plural or single? Plural or singular? Plural. The singular of children is a child, right? So this one is countable noun and it's plural. And it has any, so sure things, it's negative form. So what are you using? Isn't or aren't?
Art.
It's children's are what
Okay,
a child.
can you count?
Drinks are
Can you count drinks?
no.
How?
It's
And
wow.
it's,
I bring
so what is it? There,
Is it?
there
No,
aren't.
orange.
Or.
How about
Why is my brain here?
Or
Yes. Are there any animals? Because animals is countable nouns and it's also plural. Okay. Next one, look at the picture.
Ooh, that looks obvious.
See?
Like the same picture we had them before. There are no chocolates.
Right, look at the picture and 1 second. Okay, look at the picture and help me write the sentence. Start off with chocolate. Can you see the chocolate in the picture?
No, so there are no chocolates.
And chocolate is countable nouns, right? So what do you say?
No S, no S.
There,
There is no
there is
there isn't what?
any chocolate.
Isn't any chocolate.
and
Countable,
There
right?
are some carrots.
Carrot. How about cheese?
There
there is some cheese.
cheese.
There is some cheese, right? Apple.
There are any apples.
What about meat?
There is some meat. There are some bananas.
Yes, there are some bananas. Now let's take out your activity book and turn to page 31, I guess. Unit 4, lesson 1, page 34, sorry, page 34. Match the number with the picture and then try to separate, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And teacher.
So what page?
Page 34. Emily, are you ready to teach on Saturday? They say it's okay now. Or you like to cancel it and go next week? Yeah, tomorrow. Are you sure? Have you prepared everything or you rather teach?
Just go like ABC and then
If you're not ready, don't push it. The best.
people will be ready for stretch. But just do it because I don't need to do it.
Have you prepared the worksheets?
I have to do gallery, remember? We'll finish it. T next.
No, letter A. That's a letter A.
Yeah. We have a worksheet.
Well, have you asked? Have to ask because if you want to go to Dan Pinto, you want to go to Dan Pinto.
Yeah.
So ask Daddy what time will he go first. Yeah, okay.
Well, I can teach today.
Why do you want to teach today?
I don't know.
No. Please let me know when you finish. And please do not
Finish.
go finish. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. A. What is A?
Card.
Card. Well, what? 1 second. Card. B.
Stapler.
Stapler. Very good. And then C is string. D.
Paintbrush.
Brush. E.
Straw. Paint.
Paint.
Definitely. Paper clip. Paper clip. Tape. 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 Six.
I.
Tape.
Glue.
Nine glue. Glue. Eight. Drawing pin.
Wrong pins. And
And
11.
the last one is
Wire.
Liar, more like liar.
Do this one.
Will.
It's countable. Okay. I need to take a picture. Sorry. On your camera. Thank you. Okay, do this one. Things that you can count from the activity 1 that you just do. Okay, things that you can count is, oops, sorry, paper clips, right? What else? Staplers, drawing pins, paint brushes, right? And then things that you cannot count, which are string, card, paint, tape, wire, glue. These things that you cannot count. Okay, please check your answer. Let me know when you finish checking up your answer. Okay, done?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Wait 1 second. Uh-oh. What is that? One sec. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Look and tick or cross. Tick or cross first. Okay, can you see glue?
No.
Sorry. No glue. What about paper clips?
Yes, paper clip. Yes.
Tape?
Tape, yes. Stopper, no. Stopper, no. Strings, yes. String, yes.
Paint,
Pens, I think not.
drawing pins,
Drawing pins, no. No.
and paintbrush.
And paintbrush, yes.
Now, try to write the sentence. Okay, for example, they are some straws, right? Look from the activity 3 and you explain it. You know how to do it, right? You know what is countable and what is not, what is uncountable. And then you put there on, there are, there isn't, put some, put any. Okay, and here's the example. There is one mistake. I suggest that you should not just copy mine because there's a mistake in the example. Can you point out any mistake? Anyways, can you point out the mistake?
Number 6, right?
Number 6 is correct, but it's number 8 that is not correct. Can you find out what's wrong with it? Because you're using A, because the stapler only has one, right? You cannot say there isn't some stapler because stapler is countable and it's only one stapler. So you just say there isn't a stapler, okay? This one we use any glue because glue is uncountable. That is why we're using any. Stapler is countable and is singular. Why we have to use okay. But this one, drawing pins, you see the S there. So what should you say? There are, okay, there aren't any drawing pins. Okay, do you have any questions
No.
so far? Okay, I hope you understand it. It's quite confusing, but do not worry. I will keep giving you the exercise until you feel comfortable enough to do all of this. Okay? So what do I do now? Do I have to give back the authority to Crow or no? Can I just leave? Because I have to get ready for the next class. So, okay, I will see you tomorrow. Oh no, not tomorrow. Tomorrow there's no class. Okay, there's no class for tomorrow. So I'll see you on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, guys, and stay safe. And we'll see you on Tuesday. Okay? Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye. Thank you,
Con hồn hả?
teacher
Dạ, ổn.
Jenny.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.